onion, ham, potato, green pepper, ham, green pepper, ham. We need another skewer, beef, eggplant, onion. We need another skewer, potato, green pepper, potato. The last one is done. We can make a fire with charcoal. Prepare the grill, please. Let's start grilling the skewer. The fire is stronger. Great, the air blower is really useful. This is my secret weapon, the sauce. It smells good. Smelling skewer complete. Red pepper powder. Pepper. Minced green onions. Come on, everybody, try it.